Hello everyone, my name is Purva Jizabra Pawar and I pursue MBA from SAS Institute of Management. Today we are going to know about factors to be considered for facility location. But first of all, we know about what is facility location. Facility location is the right location for the manufacturing facility. It will have sufficient access to the customers, workers, transportation, etc. For commercial success and competitive advantage, following are the critical factors. Overall objectives of an organization is to satisfy and delight customers with its product and services. Therefore, for organization, it becomes important to have strategy formulated around its manufacturing unit. A manufacturing unit is the place where all inputs such as raw material, equipment, skilled labors, etc. come together and manufacture products for customers. One of the most critical factors determining the success of the manufacturing unit is location. Facility location determination is a business critical strategic decision. There are several factors which determine the location of facility, among them competition, cost, and corresponding associated effects. Facility location is a scientific process utilizing various techniques. Factors determine the facility location. There are several factors which determine the location of facility, among them competition. First is location selection factors. For a company which operates in a global environment, cost, available infrastructure, labor skill, government policies, and environment are very important factors. A right location provides adequate access to customers, skilled labors, transportation, etc. A right location ensures success of the organization in current global competitive environment. Second factor is industrialization. A geographic area becomes a focal point for various facility locations based on many factors, parameters and issues. These factors are can divided into primary factors and secondary factors. The primary factors which leads to industrialization of a particular area for particular manufacturing of products is material, labor and presence of similar in manufacturing facilities. Second factors are available of credit finance, communication, infrastructure and insurance. Third factor is errors in a location selection. Facility location is a critical for business continuity and success of the organization. So, it is important to avoid mistakes while making selection for a location. Errors in selection can be divided into two broad categories, behavioral and non behavioral. Behavioral errors are decisions made by executives of the company where personal factors are considered before success of location. For example, movement of personal establishment from hometown to new location facility. Non-behavioral errors include lack of proper investigative practice and analysis, ignoring critical factors and characteristics of the industry. Fourth, location strategy. The goal of an organization is customers' delight for that it needs access to the customers at minimum possible cost. This is achieved by developing location strategy. Location strategy helps the company in determining product offering, market, demand forecast in different market, best location to access customers and best manufacturing and service location. Factors influencing the location. If the organization can configure the right location for the manufacturing facility, It will have sufficient access to the customers, workers, transportation, etc. For commercial success and competitive advantage, following are the critical factors. First is customer proximity. Facility location are selected closer to the customer as to reduce transportation cost and decrease time in reaching the customer. Second is business area. Presence of other similar manufacturing units around makes business area conducive for facility establishment. Third is availability of skilled labor. Education, experience and skill of available labor are another important which determines facility location. Fourth factor is free trade zone or agreement. Free trade zone promote the establishment of manufacturing facility by providing incentives in custom duties and levies. On another hand, free trade agreement is among countries providing an incentive to establish business in particular country. Fifth factor is suppliers. Continuous and quality supply of the raw material is another critical factor in determining the location of manufacturing facility. 6. Environmental policy. In current globalization world, pollution control is very important. Therefore, understanding of environmental policy for the facility location is another critical factor. Thank you.